Hello everybody, welcome. My name is Eric and today I'm currently in the St. John's River. I actually took off right from French Landing, which is over there, and I'm on my way to Blue Springs, which is over there. And today my motor won't start, something to do with the fuel line, and I guess I figured out once I come back, but since the park is not too far away, I should be able to reach it, hopefully catch some manatees. Let's get to that. Slowly but surely I am getting into the park. It's just taking a minute. I'm a little ticked off my motor will start. It's got something to do with the fuel line. I think that one of the ends is clogged or something. I don't know. I'm gonna have to change the ends. Anyway, it's not far, so I'm almost there. See? It's right over there. Let's see if I can. There it is. All right, continue on. So right now I have a curious manatee coming near me. There he is. Look at him go. He's like checking on my boat. Like, what the heck is this thing? Look at him. I came here to catch some manatees and I did. Oh, he's a big one too. Look at him. That's so nice. All right, so here's the plan. So here's the park right there, right? That's the park. It's a little bright right now. I'm thinking about shooting the drone from this spot. See, I cannot shoot the drone from the park. It's illegal. They have new rules and whatnot. So I'm gonna shoot it from here. Hopefully I get to capture most of the river run and hopefully the swimming hole. There might be more manatees over there, so let me get to that.
Bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see.
I got like tons and tons of manatees. There was the one that came by me and there's like tons of them at the pool. So what I'm gonna do now is gonna paddle towards the park and I'm gonna show you guys a bit of the park. There's some walkways and there's some parts you can actually stop by. There's some nice stuff in the park anyway. So let me get started with that. Let me go to the park and show you guys the manatees and the viewing points. Okay everybody, so I'm parked right there. And this is the entrance of the boat entrance, you know, the water entrance. I'm gonna go through. And there's a little iron Ranger over there. It's $2 for the entrance fee. And then there's some, obviously you can rent canoes over here and whatnot, and kayaks. They have gazebos and all that over here. And over there we got the walking areas where you can see the manatees, and that's where I'm headed. Oh yeah, let me go ahead and pay the $2. All right, so they got a little guest shop over here. It's nice. All right, so I'm gonna be on my way to the walking area. You see all that? That's the one. Okay, so here's where the viewing part starts. All right, going forward. All right, I think I'm about to enter the first viewing spot. This is one of them. No swimming or fishing, obviously. Now you guys saw the manatees on the drone. That is way over there. We're gonna see some more, but I want to show you guys all these spots since I'm here. All right, let's go to the next one. All right, so here's the next viewing spot. Small people here. I'm assuming there's some stuff here. Let's take a look. What we got going on there? Nothing going on there. Let's check over here. I think there's one over there. Oh, they're over there. There they are. There's the manatees. Sweet. That's cool. All right. There's a big one that's sticking his nose out. Cool. All right, let me show you guys all the other viewing points. Since I'm here, I'm gonna show you guys this big house. I think they were the owners of this land back in the day. It's an outhouse over there. Let's get close to this house. Check it out. All right, Thursby house. Can we look inside? What's inside? It's empty. All right, let's go around. Oh, what's over here? Nice. It's a balcony. All right. Cool. Let's check the other side. Check out the outhouse. Hey, if you gotta drop a deuce, you gotta drop a deuce. Yeah, outside. All right. But gotta go around. Let's see. Let's look at this side of the house. It's got some stairs in there. Let's see if we can get up there. No, it's blocked. But we can look inside. Look. I think they set it up so it looks like from back in the day, those old stoves and all that. That's pretty cool. All right. Now let me show you guys the rest of the walkway so you guys can see them, so we can see some manatees. All right. All right, so this is the next entry point. Here are the fishes for those of you guys to see what kind of fishes we have here. All right. Here's the next entry point. I guess. All right, there's a few more up front and then the pool. I want to show you guys that. Let me get to that. Nice little walking section here. Wood. It's very nice. I'm glad I came over here today. Although it's super cold and super windy for Florida weather, but it's nice. Oh, I'm working on this section. I saw some manatees. Let's check them out. There they are. There's a bunch of them. Whew. A lot of manatees. Nice manatee monument. It's like a mermaid. All right. Ooh. What we got over here? Ooh, we got more manatees over here. More manatees. Lots of them. Good Lord. Saw a lot of them today. Quite a few. All right. Let's continue. All right. So here's the other entrance for viewing. This one seems to be very, very full. I'll probably take a quick shot from here. Oh no, this is a section where you can swim during the summer. Right now I don't think you can swim, obviously.
Yeah, he just can't go down there.
Hey puppy! Good morning.
Paula, do you want to go down?
No, you're fine. Go, okay?
See, they're over there. There's so many. There's so many over there. Huh. So many manatees. Here's another entrance to that section. That section was actually quite full. Let's see. All right, here's the other one. Slippery with wet. All right. Yeah, this is the major viewing section. Let's check it out. Nothing here. Okay. Let's see what we got.
They're on.
Oh yeah, they're all here. They're all here. Yep, there they are. So nice. All right, so now I think what's left is going towards the big pool, where the springs are at. All right. There is a gift shop. Let's go and take a look at it real quick. The gift locker. Let's see. Thank you kindly.
So you've done the first two? this for the. No, I haven't. It's ready to print.
All right.
Do the first one.
We looked at the gift shop. What's this? Blue Spring Canteen. Ooh, they have a canteen. It's not really a canteen, but you know what I mean. They got goodies. All right. Oh, they got fruits and everything. Nice. All right. But they got hot fruits over here. It's the first time I noticed that. Sweet. All right, now let me go to the swimming hole. Let me get to that. See what I mean? That's why I came in the water, so I can actually shoot the drone from the water. I get to have my drone shots and not get in trouble. Win-win. All right, towards the swimming hole. Let me show you guys this real quick. Some of you may not have seen this before. All right. Onwards. This is a very nice bridge, actually. Very relaxing just to walk on it. Nature around and everything. Oh yeah. Loving it. So many manatees. Look. Everywhere you look, manatees. This is the season, definitely. Also, one of the reasons why I came here on a cold day, because I know on cold days, they manatees take shelter on these waters, because these waters are always 70 to 72 degrees year round, regardless of the weather outside. So they take refuge from the cold air and the cold weather. Anyway, let me continue. All right, so on the way to the swimming hole, you guys have the entry for tubes and divers. This is where they go in. Let's check it out. There we go. Yeah, there are gators here. There's a lot of manatees, so I don't think there's gonna be that many gators at the moment. They're probably hiding. They're not big fans of the cold weather.
Not down here.
All right. So here's where they go out. I don't think it's open at the moment, obviously. And here is the. I believe this area opens during the summertime. Right now it's closed. All right. Let's continue to the swimming hole. Okay, so I'm getting near the swimming hole. Before there's a viewing section over there, and there's this spot over here, the gazebo place. I'll show you guys.
Estuaries, bays, canals.
That's pretty cool. All right, now to the viewing area. It's over there. And here we are. This is the swimming hole viewing section.
So I say we should go back to where we were.
Not sure there's any manatees here.
Spotting them, yeah. This is a beautiful place for pictures. Further down, better. Please.
I think they left. Yep. But the manatees that were in this section, you guys saw on the drone, I think they moved down. So yeah, this is Blue Springs. All right. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna head back, get a couple pictures with my my camera, and so I can have something for Instagram and Facebook and all that. So yeah, guys, this is Blue Springs. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this little trip. This is a quick little trip that I decided to do, and see you guys on the next one. Later.